Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. Now, this beautiful car is finished in Fathom Blue with white stripes. It has a 396 engine under the hood with a 4-speed manual transmission. This car has had an intensive nut and bolt, body off, rotisserie restoration. Absolutely gorgeous car. The body and paint on this car are second to none. Absolutely stunning car. It's got the correct wheels, SS wheels on it. It's got the correct Firestone wide oval tires on it. Bucket seats, factory center console, black interior. Door jambs are gorgeous. All new interior, seat covers, carpeting, dash, console, gauges, everything is beautiful in this car. Back seat, package tray, sail panels, headliner, dome light, visors. Power steering, power brakes. It's got disc brakes on the front. It's got the ZL2 cowl induction hood on it. This car was a L78 car originally. That's what the gentleman told me. We don't have the build sheet, so we can't say that for fact, but this car came out of a big Chevelle collection out west. The gentleman had an auction and he had a lot of Chevelles. I looked this thing up online, and the gentleman I bought the car from was from Alabama, and when he got the car, it had been started on a rotisserie restoration, and he told me he took the car back home and he took it back off the frame again because there was a few things on it that he wanted to do different. So he finished the car, and he was planning on keeping the car, but he decided that he was going to let it go. I guess he had enough cars that he didn't keep this car. But he did call me the other day and asked me if I still had it. I said, yeah, I still got it. And he's like, I shouldn't have sold that. I'm digging through my pocket here. I got the keys for this car in my pocket. I'm going to open the trunk for you. Oh, there we go. Look down the sides of the car. The chrome bumpers are new. The lights, the gauge, like the lights, the emblems, just everything on this thing is absolutely gorgeous. And you can see the numbers on the quarter on that side. Numbers on the quarter on this side. I didn't see any imperfections on the paint. Tilt steering column. Car has 4 miles on it since restoration. The clock works. The gauges work. has a GM aluminum intake on it. It's got the correct hose clamps, fuel line, exhaust manifold, steering box. The underneath the car is gorgeous. I got pictures of the undercarriage of it. I don't think you're going to find a nicer 70s Chevelle. The door gaps, body lines are super nice. The paint is just absolutely gorgeous. Doors open and shut just like they should. Headlights, turn signals, just a gorgeous car. All the stickers are underneath the car on the rear end and trailing arms and like they're supposed to be. Muncie 4-speed transmission. All new brake lines, all new fuel lines. For free, you can restore it to the quality that it is for $100 grand. Shit, probably got a $25,000-$30,000 paint job on it. Gentleman told me, he said that hood alone's worth $2,500 to $3,000. I don't know, I never looked one up, but he said it's a real deal hood.
car show this weekend. This thing will win you all kinds of trophies. This beautiful car, 1970 Chevelle Super Sport 396 4-speed, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, so give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful 70 Chevelle. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.